What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel once again. DJ Ninja 254 is my name on YouTube. I'm so pleased to have you back on my channel. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always supporting me, coming back to watch my videos. If you're new to this channel, please hit the button and also subscribe to this channel. And also remember to leave your sweet comment. It's a beautiful day here in Africa. We have been having a lot of rains, and in today's video, guys, I'll be talking about the oneness of Jamaica. Jamaica is actually a place of oneness. I was looking at the internet, and I saw someone complaining he is a Jamaican, a white Jamaican, that he was complaining of some discrimination, and I want to address this, that most of we Africans, we have been growing up knowing that Jamaica is a black nation. It's only of recent that most of us are coming to the understanding that in Jamaica we also have other people who are, they are Jamaicans, but of in Indian origin. We have Chinese origin, and also white origin. So today I'll be talking about the oneness of Jamaica. Jamaica through the years have been supporting each other. If there is a problem, you have been really coming and showing your support in large numbers. Also, I really thank you Jamaicans for always standing with the content creators from Africa, by watching the videos, uh, leaving your comments, and also financial support to some of the content creators. So the concept of Jamaica oneness is can be clearly indicated by the fabric of their society, from their rich cultural heritage to their resilient spirit. The Jamaican people have shown unity in the face of adversity from time and time again. Since independence of Jamaica in 1962, Jamaica has faced a lot of challenges, yet through it all, their sense of unity has remained unwavering. Whether it's the neighbors, helping neighbors rebuild after a hurricane or maybe an earthquake. Jamaica sits on the tectonic plates. I think the Caribbean tectonic plates, where it's in some years it has been experiencing earthquakes, hurricane. Like this year, there was a bit of floods around. Was it Montego Bay? And people really came to help. And let me play a video to show you how really Jamaicans are for each other. They support each other and really help each other.
St. James, fisherfolk and business operators have been hit hard by what they described as the most bizarre flooding event they have seen in decades.
This is far worse than what residents had anticipated.
It's part of life. Nobody hurt. So the damage that we have can be rebuilt.
But you know what thing? Like this morning, everyone who against the one another, everyone come together and start dealing with it and start dealing with the issue and start work, pushing up boat and taking care of everything.
There's also in initiatives, grassroots initiatives tackling like social issues. Jamaicans for sure consistently demonstrate the power of unity in action. They do it physically. The diversity of Jamaicans is their strength. This is what I was saying from the start, Jamaica is a diverse country from the history of the origin Taino people, the blacks who were brought as a result of the transatlantic slave trade, and also the workers who came to Jamaica to work as indentured laborers, and also the intermarriage between other people. So it makes Jamaica to just from the motto, out of many people, one nation. The diversity is their strength, guys. Irrespective of the differences, they stand together as one people, one nation. From the Rastafarian community to the Maroons, Jamaica history is filled with examples of solidarity and resistance against oppression. They don't take anyone oppressing them lightly. They stand for their rights. The vibrant culture in Jamaica is a testament of their unity. Through music, dance, and art, Jamaicans come together to celebrate their shared identity and heritage. So guys, this is the video for today. I wanted to talk about Jamaica oneness, and you know, Bob Marley sang one love. Let's get together, let's work together, let's stand together, fighting for each other, because they say unity is strength. One finger cannot kill out ally, something of the sort. So with the spirit of oneness, I think a lot of challenges will be overcome, and a brighter future is there for Jamaica. Cheers guys, thank you for staying tuned to this channel and supporting this channel, always coming back to watch my videos. See you on my next video.
Extreme sea level events are projected to occur at least annually in many areas across the world by 2100.